Move it around. Alana. Don't know if she likes it or not. She's moving around, but it is her first time, so she's kind of freaked out. Here. Here, sweetheart. Turn around so everyone can see you. Here you are. Yeah. Hi. Hi, beautiful girl. Oh, that's right.